Hello friends, welcome to Monkey Art, and today we're gonna draw what? Today we're going to draw a cute little bunny going to school. And we're gonna use some color markers and also one piece of paper, and we're gonna need one black marker for the drawing part. So let's get started. This cute bunny will have a yellow backpack. First we're gonna draw his little nosy nose, just like that. Then we're gonna make his mouth, cute little mouth, and he loves carrots as well. And we're gonna draw big eyes. Draw one, and let's draw another one, just like that. We can also add some eyebrows, or you don't have to if you don't want. Then we can make his mouth open, like he's smiling or something. You can also add two little lines there. And now we can draw pupils inside. So let me see, we can draw like this, two little circles, and then big one like this. And his eyes will be blue. They're gonna be beautiful. You can also maybe add little black circle between, just like that, and on this side as well. So we have bigger circle, smaller circle, one circle in the middle. Wow, so many circles! But you can make it simple. Doesn't have to be all those circles inside, just to make it more interesting. Okay, now we're gonna draw his cute little face. So it's gonna go on the bottom a little bit wider. So it's gonna go like this. This side as well, and then it's gonna be a little thinner on the top. Cool. And we're gonna put his ears on one side, like this. One ear, and we're gonna make another one on the same side. But let's first finish his head, because his head is gonna be in front. Okay, now we can add that other ear. So he will have both ears on one side, like he's running or something. Okay, cool. Now we can go down and make his little body. So we can draw like a oval shape, just like that. And on this side as well. Then we can make his little arm like this, and add a few lines. And let's make another one, and in this one maybe we can put a little pencil, so he can color as well, just like us. Draw and color like this. And there he goes, he has pencil for the drawing. Okay, now we can make his tiny little legs. We're gonna go like this, and like that, and like this. And we can make another one on this side. And what is he missing? If he is going to school, he needs a cool little backpack. So let's make a backpack like this, but you can make it as you like. I'm gonna also add a little pockets. And then like this. And there we go, he has his backpack, his pencil, and he's ready to go to school. And what do you like to do in school? You like to play with your friends, maybe? I bet he does. I bet he has a lot of friends. Okay, now we're gonna color. We're gonna make small circles, just like this, to make his cheeks even cuter. Then we can make a little circle on his nose to make it shiny. And we can also color this part of his ear. That's the inside part. We're gonna color that using our pink. Just like that. Cool. And now we can make his beautiful blue eyes. We can color this little circle we made before. Wow, he's looking so cute. Let's color this part as well. Wow, so cute little bunny. Okay, and now we can color also backpack, and we can make a little tongue here and color the other parts. Cute. Okay, and let me see, what did I want to do? I wanted to color his little tongue. I'm gonna use this time red color, just like that. And now we can use some yellow. Beautiful, cool yellow. We can color pencil, and we can also color his backpack. And you can use other colors if you want. You can use your favorite colors. My favorite color is blue. What about yours? I'm gonna also use a little bit of orange. And there we go. We can maybe also color his eyebrow. Both of those. There we go. We have completed our cute little bunny student. Let's give him a little heart because we love our little bunny. And we have completed this lesson, so let's put here a little check mark. And guys, you can always leave some comments, or you can tell me what would you like to draw in the next lesson on our Instagram page. See you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.